Are you struggling to score in class 10 maths? This video could be the solution. Save it and start with 100 essential questions. Question number 69. Represent the following situation in the form of a quadratic equation. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. We would like to find Rohan's present age. Let's start. So let's assume Rohan's present age is x years and his mother's present age will be 26 more. So that will be x plus 26 years. Now after 3 years what will happen? Both of their ages will increase by 3 years. So Rohan's age will become x plus 3 years and mother's age will become x plus 29 years. Now according to the question, the product of their ages after 3 years is 360. So Rohan's age is x plus 3, mother's age is x plus 29. So if you multiply them, that is equal to 360. So let's open the bracket. That will give you x square plus 29x plus 3x plus 87 equal to 360 and x square plus 32x minus 273 equal to 0. So that's a quadratic equation. Split the middle term. X square plus 39x minus 7x minus 273 equal to 0. So from first two term you can take x common. From last two term you can take minus 7 common. Okay, and then you can take x plus 39 throughout common. So that will give you two factors, x minus 7 and x plus 39. If you equate x plus 39 equal to 0, you will get x equal to minus 39. Okay, so what is x? X is the Rohan's present age, but Rohan can't be minus 39 years, right? So that's why age can't be a negative number. So we can reject this. Second factor, x minus 7 equal to 0 will give you x equal to 7, and that's a positive answer, so we can select it. So Rohan's age, current age is 7 years and his mother's age will be 26 more. So 7 plus 26 will give you 33 years. That's it.